Best electronic digital caliper. We review top 5 best electronic digital caliper. For more details and price, click product link description. Editor's pick, Mitutoyo Digimatic Caliper. Mitutoyo is one of the biggest names in measurements, and its digital calipers are some of the best you'll find. Of course, that means they aren't cheap, either. But when it comes to precision and accuracy, that's little surprise. Resistant to coolant, water, and oil, these are designed for commercial machine shop use. Accurate to +/0.001 inches or 0.02 millimeters. They also have a large printed scale if you're more old school. Adoric Digital Caliper. This recommendation isn't the most precise in the world, measuring down to just 0.1 millimeters or 0.01 inches. But that's enough for most users, and they have one big advantage: that price. These are some of the most affordable digital calipers you'll find anywhere. But they are missing the tension thumb screw found on more expensive designs. But if all you need is the occasional tiny measurement, this should be more than enough. Vinca Digital Vernier Caliper. Even though it's an affordable option, these calipers offer some serious professional features. Made from stainless steel for durability, they come with an RS-232 data transfer port. With the right software and cable, that means you can connect to a PC to help view and store your measurements. Able to measure to a resolution of 0.0005 inches, 0.01 millimeters. These should suit almost all of your measuring needs. eSynic Digital Vernier Caliper. If you're using a digital caliper, you've probably tried the outside measurement, not just the bit inside the clamps. And if you're using that, you're probably not far away from needing feeler gauges too. So why not get them both in one convenient set? This caliper has inner, outer, and depth gauges, able to measure up to 6 inches or 150 millimeters, and with a resolution of 0.0005 inches or 0.01 millimeters. The digital display will show inches and in decimal as well as fractional inches. The feeler gauges fit in the same box and covers from 0.0015 inch to 0.035 inch. Vinca Digital Nylon Vernier Caliper. No, you're not seeing the Vinca from the top of the list over again. This one is made of nylon instead of stainless steel like most of the list. The advantages of nylon include not needing to worry about corrosion. The downsides are that it has a bit less accuracy, and in extreme conditions, the material will expand and contract more than stainless steel. Still, for an occasional use bargain, this stands out.